Yes, your encryptors right here. How to take partial profits on BingX exchange. Okay, all you have to do, so we have 2 trades running here. So let's say you want to take partial profits because you're in profits. As you can see, we are in profit. So all you have to do is click on close. You can see close on the left right here. So when you click on close, you're gonna see this button here, partial position close. Tap on it to put it on. Then if you want to close 25% of the position, or 50% of the position, or 75%, 100%, that's your closing everything. But let's say you want to close 50% of the position running, you feel the price will still go up and you might miss out on profit, so you can just close 50%. So you click on 50%, that's half of the position you have on, and click confirm. And there you have it. Congratulations, you just learned how to take partial profits on BingX exchange. See you in the next video.